got scatter diagrams, and in this video we're going to be talking about using the graph from 4A, what percentage of their services cost over £25 per month. Give your answer to 2 decimal places. Okay, so this time we've got the chart. So this time it's going up in 5, so it's going 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So at the top here, we've got cost of broadband services. Ignore that, I had a tongue twister then. So here, down here, we've got it in tens. We've got 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to see of £25 and see what is to give your answer to 2 decimal places. Make sure you get a highlighter. Okay, so highlight 2 decimal places, okay? So, get my mouth for a sec. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do 6 divided by 14 to start ourselves off. But in this part of the paper, we can't use a calculator. So, we're going to do it the long process. So here, we've got it going up to, so this part, we have got it going up to about, let's probably say about 7, it's going up to 6, you could say, for this one. So, think about this, and then down here is going up to 5, so it's going to be this section here, this section of the letters on the scatter diagram. That's it. Okay, first thing we're going to do is 6 divided by 14. So how many 14s go into 6? So you can do the long process, because we can't do 14 to 6 because 14 is bigger than 6, as we all know. So 14 to 6, that's going to be 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14. So 6 times 14, which is going to give us 56. And then, if you want to, you can round the 14 to 15, because you can, if you round, you can round it in your head if you want to, but for this process, you can round 14 to 15, basically. And to say this, you can do 15 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So 15 times 4 will give us 60, okay, to make life a bit easier. So you're going to cross that out and then put a little 4 there. And then, as you can see here, we can do, then if we do 56 plus 14, that'll give us 70, okay? Stay with me on track. So, then if we do 14 plus 14, that'll give us 28. Then if we do 28 plus 14, that'll give us 42. Then if we do 340, take away 28, that'll give us 12, okay? 120, take away 112, give us 8. So, then to get the remainder, to do the remainder is we're going to do 60, take away 56 will give us 4, okay? Stay with me. Right, then for this part, we're going to do 70 plus 28 will give us 98, because 0 plus 8 is 8, 7 plus 2 is 9. That's where the answer came from. If you want to, you can do 70 plus 30, because like I said before in my videos, if it's 5 or more, it goes up. 5 or more, okay, it goes up, and then if it's 5 or less, it goes down, okay? So, to get this straight, to get our head wrapped around this properly, scatter diagrams are recorded information. It's like a bar chart, but it's different. It's kind of like a line graph. So scatter diagrams, okay, and just explain what they are basically like line graphs, you could say, okay? So if we do this part, then it says we've got to give an answer to 2 decimal places. So a percentage is always, I say this a lot in my videos, I said it yesterday in my videos, it's always 100%. That will never change. Okay, back to the topic anyways. So if we get one thing straight, we've got to round 42.857 to round it up. Okay, so if we think about this, that we've got 42.8585. Let's have a look at the answer, shall we? Okay, the answer is, yeah, we've got around 42. It's 42.856. So if we look at this part here, if we stop at this ending point, this cut off here, we're going to cut that part off. And if we do that, that should give us 42.86, because if we think about it, that in the answer it says we can round it, because if it's 5 or more we round up, less than 5 you round down, so the answer is going to be 42.86. that's our answer. Then for this part here it says 80 take away 70 is 10. Then if we do 14 times 8 we get 12. That's where the 12 came from. To do multiplication, there's more ways to do multiplication. You can do 14 plus 14 plus 14 8 times, or you can just do 14 times 8, which will give you 112. So the answer is going to be 42.86, because it's more than 5, so that means it will go up to the next number. So I hope this video helps you, and I'm going to talk more about scatter diagrams and what they're used for, and then the more I explain scatter diagrams, the more it will start to make sense a little bit, because this question is very wordy, but you know I love maths, so I do math videos daily about scatter diagrams, bar charts. In my videos, I do talk about different types of bar charts that are used in math, like coordinates, bar charts, line graphs, scatter diagrams, and all the different types of bar charts that you might see. So this video helps you, and I'll see you in the next math video. But in this video, I'm going to be talking about more about scatter diagrams tomorrow now. So I hope this video helps, and like, subscribe, comment, and thank you so much for 17 subscribers. I love the support that I'm getting, guys. Thank you so much. I love you all for giving me all the support on my YouTube channel. And thanks to Mom Maths for giving me the inspiration to do this math video, because she is the best, literally. I love her so much. She's the reason why I started doing maths in the first place. So thank you for all the support. And in tomorrow's video, when I explain more about scatter diagrams, it will make sense. Because I'm trying to help people get better at maths. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. And the more I explain scatter diagrams, the more it will make sense to you. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye. Thanks for your time.